Stay there, dance. Stay here. No, leave him here, dance, go. Dance.
So find out.
Stand up and dance with Mickey.
Go, Christopher, go.
No touching, you're going to break him. You already broke him, right? Alright, one more time. Alright, leave him here. Leave there. Back up. Say hi, baby. Give him a kiss, hurry up. Tell him hi, Mickey. Alright, back him up. I know you here. Hey, Mickey. Oh, there he goes. Look, he's dancing, Christopher. Go.